Hi, this is the MR.GREEN Nail Clipper. It comes in this nifty little case, and it is got a holder in it, so you can store your nail clippers right in it and never lose them. The nail clipper itself, Germany, is made with stainless steel construction. And believe me when I tell you that the blades are very sharp. It's ergonomic, it feels good in the hand, and boy will it cut your nails. A little file built in here, a little detent for your thumb to hold on, and the way the clipper itself is arched fits very nicely. That's MR.GREEN.
This is a great set to take care of the nails. High quality nail clipper and a glass nail polisher to clean up the top side of the nails. And this one is not cleaned up at all. Okay.